wish.
Yes, I know.
So,
You desire to learn from my own lips the character of the moon's surface, its inhabitants, if any.
I desire no such thing,
You wish to know by what mysterious means we reached the moon? Well, confidentially, I was a new invention of my own.
Too, as well as mad.
I scorned the eagle of Archytas.
A learned lunatic.
I imitated no one. I myself discovered not one scheme merely, but
6 ways to violate the virgin sky.
6?
as for instance, having stripped myself bare as a wax candle, alarm my form with crystal vials filled with morning dew, and so be drawn aloft as the sun rises, drinking the mist of dawn.
Yes, that makes 1.
Or, sailing up in the air in a set of chest, ratified by means of mirrors placed in icosahedron.
2.
I might construct a rocket in the form of a huge locust driven by impulses of villainous saltpetre from the rear upward by leaps and bounds.
3.
Or again, smoke having a natural tendency to rise, blow in a globe enough to raise me.
4.
Or since Diana, as old fables tells, jars forth to fill her crescent horn the marrow of bulls and goats, to anoint myself therewith.
5.
Finally, seated on an iron plate to hurl a magnet in the air. The iron follows, I catch the magnet, throw again, and so proceed indefinitely.
6. All excellent. And which did you adopt?
Why, none of them a 7th.
Which was?
Guess.
An interesting idiot, this. Well,
Have you guessed it yet?
why no?
The ocean. Hour its rising tide seeks the full moon. I laid myself on the strand fresh from the spray, my head fronting on the moonbeam since the hair retains moisture, and so I slowly rose again, angel's wings effortlessly, upward. Then suddenly I felt a shock, and then the time is up. 15 minutes, Your Grace. You are now free, and they are bound in wedlock.
Am I drunk? That voice and that nose! Cyrano!
Cyrano! No, this very moment they have exchanged rings.
Who? You? He? Monsieur compliments. You also my inventive machine. Your rigmarole when I detain a sage entering paradise. Decidedly, you must not fail to write that book someday.
Where the handsome couple you and God have joined together.
Quite so. Madame, kindly bid your husband farewell.
Oh, I thought the cadets were not going.
Oh, yes, they are. Here's the order. Baron, deliver this.
Christian!
The bridal night is not so near.
Somehow that news fails to disquiet me.
Your lips again.
There, that will do now. Come!
I know how hard it is.
I know!
The regiment's on the march.
Take care of him for me. Promise me to never let him do anything dangerous.
I'll do my best. I cannot promise.
Make him be careful.
Yes, I'll try.
Be sure him dry and warm.
See that he remains faithful.
Of course, if
Have him praise me every single day.
that I promise you.
Decidedly, you must have not failed to write that book someday.